I've been asked to give instructions on how we built this loft for our grandkids, this little loft bed, and we just kind of built it as we went. We used mostly scraps from our house build, but I'll try to explain it. This room is 174 inches wide, so we made it that total width, 174 inches. And then we made the top loft is 33 inches wide, with the platform being 31.5 inches. And then we got these little brackets from Lowe's or Home Depot to hold the 2x4s, and then the little caps on top. And we just used 3/4 inch plywood for the base. You can see there my granddaughter has written on it already. And then we just put this foam on top. And we can cover that with fabric or flat sheets so they can sleep up there. And then we had the lights. We put the lights in. And this is a 2x6, this board. And it runs to right here. And then we've got another one there. And the loft is attached to the wall. We've found the studs and put a 2x4 down through there to make it really good and secure. Like I said, we hit all the studs. And then we put 2x4s, I believe it's every 16 inches down through there for support. And then another one right there in the middle, because we found when we went up the steps and got on the platform, it gave just a little, so that gave some extra support there in the middle. And then that's what it looks like. Another 2x4 there for extra support. And then these side pieces are 2x10s. And I just sanded those down. And then we had to figure out the angle. Depends on how much room you have to come out. We have full-size beds here. So we didn't want the steps to protrude out too much further from the bed. So we just kind of figured out the angle. The total length of that one in the front, I believe, is 81 inches. The steps are 17 inches wide with a 5.5 inch riser. And then we put these little strips of wood there to support the steps. And then that little 2x4 is just extra support. We needed to screw this into something. We didn't want to just toe-nail it in, so we screwed this board on, and then we could screw the 2x10 into that. And I hope that makes sense. These 4x4s, down at the base, we we put a 2x4 there. We screwed it into the wall to give that leg support and keep it from wiggling. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. If I can help you any further, just let me know.